Select an open area free of obstacles. Make sure the battery is securely installed before flying. Unfold each arm carefully, you should feel a firm click when locked. Remove the gimbal cover and check that the gimbal is functioning properly. Press and hold to power on, the battery level will be displayed. When you hear the beep and see flashing lights, the drone is powering on. Always place the drone on level ground for stable calibration. The gimbal will run an automatic self-check. Remove the joysticks from the bottom of the remote controller, then install them. Press and hold to turn on the remote. The drone will automatically pair with the controller in about 30 seconds. Once the drone lights turn solid, pairing is successful. Pull out the phone holder. 3 RC cables are included. Please select the appropriate one to connect your phone to the controller. Place your phone into the holder and insert the RC cable into the phone's port securely. Make sure your phone shows it's charging. Open the Ruko Mini app. After a couple of seconds the app will auto-enter the control interface. The Type-C port on the side of the remote control is for charging only, not for data connection. The solid green light indicates that the search is complete. You can toggle beginner mode on or off and set the flight parameters as needed. Advanced users can opt to lift limits up to 30,000 feet. Push the joysticks to the 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock positions to unlock the motors. Push the left joystick upwards to take off. You can also click the Take Off button on the remote control, or tap the Take Off icon in the app. Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn off GPS mode and switch to Attitude mode, Indoor mode. The left joystick controls the drone's altitude and direction. The right joystick controls the direction of the drone. Press the button to take a photo, or tap the app. Press the button to start recording, or tap the app. Adjust the camera's angle up and down. Toggle the switch to change between 3 speed modes. Press the 1 key return to home button on the controller or in the app, and the drone will automatically return.